Hello, everyone. Welcome back. Today, we are embarking on a fascinating journey through the heart of China as we explore the Lianyungang to Huai'an train route. Buckle up, because we've got some unknown facts about this scenic and historic journey that will leave you amazed. Our journey begins here in Lianyungang, a bustling city with a rich history and vibrant culture. The train ride to Huai'an promises not just a mode of transportation but a captivating experience filled with hidden gems. Historical significance. Did you know that the Lianyungang to Huai'an train route passes by several historically significant sites? As we ride the rails, keep an eye out for ancient landmarks and relics that tell the tales of China's past. Unique train design. Now, let's talk about the train itself. The Lianyungang to Huai'an route boasts a train with a unique design, equipped with modern amenities for a comfortable journey. From panoramic windows to high-speed connectivity, this train has it all. Onboard experience. While we're on board, let me share another unknown fact: the diverse range of dining options available. Whether you're a foodie or just looking to savor local flavors, this train journey has got you covered. And don't forget to check out the onboard entertainment. Scenic landscapes. One of the highlights of this journey is undoubtedly the picturesque landscapes. As the train glides through the countryside, you'll be treated to breathtaking views of lush greenery, serene lakes, and perhaps even catch a glimpse of local wildlife. Local culture interaction. As we make our way to Huai'an, take the opportunity to interact with the locals at train stations. You might discover some hidden gems and unique traditions that add an extra layer of cultural richness to your journey. Ancient echoes. Our first mystery takes us back in time. Did you know that as you travel through the countryside, you'll catch glimpses of ancient structures, some of which have stories lost to time? Keep your eyes peeled for these silent witnesses of bygone eras. Tunnel of Legends. Buckle up for our second revelation, the Tunnel of Legends. This train route features a series of tunnels, each with its own unique story and local folklore. Some say these tunnels hold hidden treasures. Others believe they are gateways to another world. What secrets lie within? Celestial navigation. Ever wondered how the train stays on track through the vast landscapes? Our third mystery involves celestial navigation. The train's navigation system is designed to align with the stars, a technique inspired by ancient Chinese navigation methods. It's a celestial dance guiding us on this enchanting journey. Eco-friendly innovations. Our next mystery revolves around sustainability. This train journey is a showcase of eco-friendly innovations, from energy-efficient designs to waste reduction initiatives. Discover how this railway is paving the way for a greener future. Hidden culinary treasures. Prepare your taste buds for our final mystery, the hidden culinary treasures. Beyond the standard menu, the train is a culinary haven, offering local delicacies that you won't find in travel guides. Join me as we uncover the gastronomic secrets on this journey. Cultural expressions. Our exploration wouldn't be complete without unraveling the cultural expressions along the way. From impromptu performances at stations to the diverse range of art adorning the train cars, every moment is a celebration of the rich cultural tapestry of this region. Wildlife encounters. Keep your eyes wide open for unexpected wildlife encounters. The train journey cuts through nature reserves and wildlife habitats, offering passengers a chance to witness the beauty of untamed landscapes and maybe spot some unique local fauna. Connecting communities. As we journey through these mysteries, let's not forget the profound impact this train route has on connecting communities. Discover how it serves as a lifeline, fostering economic growth and cultural exchange along the way. Whispering trees. Our first mystery involves the whispering trees. As the train glides through lush landscapes, pay attention to the rhythmic rustling of leaves. Local legends suggest that these trees have stories to tell, secrets passed down through generations. Mystical fog phenomenon. Keep your cameras ready for our second revelation, the mystical fog phenomenon. Some sections of the journey are known for sudden and thick fog, creating an otherworldly atmosphere. What causes this enchanting weather mystery? We're about to find out. Time-traveling stations. Ever felt like you've stepped back in time? Our third mystery involves the time-traveling stations. Each stop along the route has preserved historical elements, providing passengers with a glimpse into the region's past. It's like a journey through time without leaving your seat. Lunar New Year traditions. If you happen to travel during Lunar New Year, get ready for our next mystery, onboard celebrations. The train transforms into a festive space, with traditional performances, decorations, and special menus. Discover how the journey becomes a moving celebration of cultural traditions. Healing frequencies. Our mystery involves the healing frequencies of the train. Passengers often report a sense of calm and relaxation during the journey. Is there something unique about the ambient sounds and vibrations that contribute to this therapeutic experience? Let's unravel this soothing mystery. Artistic graffiti tunnels. Prepare to be amazed by our next mystery, the artistic graffiti tunnels. Some tunnels along the journey serve as canvases for local artists, turning them into vibrant, ever-changing art galleries. Join me as we appreciate the creativity hidden within the darkness. Starlit night sky views. As night falls, our journey continues under a blanket of stars. The Lianyungang to Huai'an train route offers spectacular views of the night sky. What celestial wonders await us during this nocturnal adventure? Let's gaze into the cosmic unknown together. Multilingual announcements. Our next mystery involves the multilingual magic of the train announcements. Listen closely, and you'll notice announcements delivered in various languages, showcasing the cultural diversity along the route. It's a linguistic tapestry that adds a unique touch to the journey. Parallel universes of time zones. Our first mystery involves the peculiar time zone phenomenon. As the train crosses certain sections, passengers might find themselves in a time warp, experiencing a temporary shift in time zones. It's a surreal experience that adds an extra layer of intrigue to our expedition. Train whistle harmonies. Listen closely for our second revelation, the harmonies of train whistles. Local folklore suggests that the train whistles along this route have a musical quality, creating a symphony that resonates through the landscapes. Is there a hidden melody in the echoes of these whistles? Let's find out. Quantum connectivity. Prepare for a mind-bending mystery, the quantum connectivity of the train. This high-tech marvel ensures uninterrupted internet access even in the most remote areas. How does the train stay seamlessly connected across vast landscapes? The answer lies in the quantum realm of technology. Camouflaged wildlife observatories. Calling all nature enthusiasts. Our next mystery involves camouflaged wildlife observatories. Concealed along the route, these observatories offer passengers a discreet peek into the lives of the region's diverse fauna. Get your binoculars ready for some unexpected wildlife sightings. Underground network of caves. Beneath the Earth's surface lies our next enigma, an underground network of caves. As the train meanders through certain areas, passengers might catch fleeting glimpses of cave entrances. What secrets lie within these subterranean labyrinths? It's a mystery waiting to be unraveled. Sky lantern phenomenon. Be prepared for an ethereal experience, the sky lantern phenomenon. In certain regions along the route, passengers may witness the release of sky lanterns, creating a mesmerizing display of lights against the night sky. What cultural significance do these lanterns hold? Let's explore the luminous mystery together. Nomadic flower fields. Our journey takes us through a floral wonderland, nomadic flower fields. Depending on the season, passengers might be treated to breathtaking views of colorful flower carpets that seem to move and change locations. Join me in uncovering the transient beauty of these blossoming mysteries. Whispers of the bamboo forests. Our final mystery involves the whispers of the bamboo forests. Local legends speak of ancient spirits residing within the bamboo groves visible from the train. Is there a mystical energy emanating from these dense bamboo thickets? Let's venture into the heart of this bamboo mystery. Quantum agricultural fields. Our first mystery involves fields that seem to defy conventional farming practices, quantum agricultural fields. As the train glides through the countryside, witness high-tech farming methods that blend tradition with innovation. What secrets lie within these fields of the future? Harmonic resonance stations. Listen closely at our second revelation, harmonic resonance stations. Certain train stations along the route are designed to emit soothing frequencies, creating a harmonic atmosphere. Is there a scientific explanation behind these stations, or do they tap into a mystical energy? Let's delve into the resonance mystery. Transdimensional murals. Prepare to be mesmerized by our third mystery, transdimensional murals. Adorning the walls of certain stations, these artworks seem to shift and transform as the train passes. Are these murals a portal to another realm, or is it an illusion created by skilled artists? The answer might surprise you. And there you have it, folks. The Lianyungang to Huai'an train journey is more than just a means of getting from point A to B. It's an immersive experience filled with history, culture, and stunning landscapes. If you ever find yourself in this part of China, be sure to hop on board and witness the magic for yourself. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more hidden gems and travel adventures. Until next time, happy travels!